Welcome to Experimental Girl's cooking class starring yours truly, G.A. And say hello.
Hello, everyone.
It's all made possible by Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings. Now, there's a big national holiday on Monday. It's National Munchies Day. You got the munchies, we got the cure. And
Yes.
it is family fave. It's the Scooby-Doo grilled cheese sandwich, which I've never attempted ever in my entire life. So I'm going to do it for the first time, but I have a great instructor. So what do we do first?
As we really like to call it, the Scooby-Dooby.
Yes.
Cheese sandwich.
Thank you.
But first of all, we need to cut some cheese.
You want me to cut the cheese?
Yeah, I want you to cut the cheese.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Stop it. I knew you were going to do some kind of cheesy joke.
You said cut the cheese.
Okay.
Come on. Work with me here.
Actually, I already have the cheese sliced for you.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Well, let me get this out of the way then. You know me too well.
Get the knife out of the way.
The knife out of the way?
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, now what do we do?
Okay, we're going to take that butter.
This
We're gonna
butter,
put a half a teaspoon of Uncle Dan's
Uncle
original
Dan's
ranch,
seasoning.
which you can buy
Yes.
in the big jar like that, which is very handy.
Yeah. How do you?
I
open
just
it? Oh, here we go.
yeah.
So what? The green one?
Yes.
Okay.
What are you doing?
You.
Are you trying to sprinkle it on the teaspoon?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I told you it's my first time.
Let's
Be gentle, will you?
Okay, let's
There
get
we
that.
go. Okay. It's about right.
That's perfect.
Okay, and then
Put it right on that butter,
Okay.
and then mix the butter and the Uncle Dan's.
Mixing right now.
Mixing. Perfect.
Okay, so this is how you mix. I can do
All right.
this.
And you have your bread on the cutting board.
Yes.
And you have a little spreader there.
Little spreader.
And you're going to butter both pieces of bread.
Okay. The
Oh,
Scooby-Dooby grilled cheese. This is how it's made, people.
And have you ever made a grilled cheese sandwich?
Never.
That's the truth. Have you ever thought about making one?
Never.
Have you ever watched me make one?
I've never. I'm always watching TV when you're making it. Okay, so gotta get all of this goodness.
Yeah,
This is
there you
really
go.
good. Uncle Dan's ranch,
Yes.
and you know, everybody does ranch. Uncle Dan's does ranch better. Okay.
Okay, we have a nice hot griddle.
Yes. Okay. So.
Good.
Okay.
That looks really good and buttered.
I got in trouble last time. Can I go
Stick
ahead?
it back in the bowl.
I can.
Yes.
Okay. Get this out of the way.
Yes.
Okay. Now.
Take one.
Down.
Down on that nice hot griddle.
Yes. Cheese.
Get your cheese.
And we've got cheddar, sharp.
Cheddar.
And Swiss.
Swiss.
Okay. That's the key ingredients to any grilled cheese sandwich. Is that right?
Well, yeah, kind of like distribute them around evenly.
Yeah, close enough.
That's pretty good.
Okay,
Okay,
now-
a top on that.
Butter up or butter down?
Butter up.
Butter up, baby!
So when you flip it,
Okay.
there you go.
There you go.
You let that grill.
Right.
Till it's golden brown. Flip it. Let it grill again. And what do
Yes.
you got?
And you've got the Scooby-Dooby grilled cheese sandwich using Uncle Dan's ranch seasoning, available at UncleDans.com or wherever you shop. Now, for the purpose of time, we've already got one over here.
Okay,
so
let's see that.
let me bring this bad boy in here.
And
because
what's that?
That's soup, tomato soup, my favorite.
It goes perfectly with grilled cheese.
Now, remember what we did with my nuts on the last video?
Yes, we
okay,
do.
We're doing this with the popcorn now. You take Uncle Dan's Chipotle ranch. With Chipotle?
Yes, we
Yeah.
use Chipotle ranch.
And
on
you
this.
put it on the popcorn, sprinkle it, and then what you do is you take a little of this
Well, wait. Remember, first we had to spray it with the spray butter.
Oh, yeah. Well, so it would stick.
So it would stick. Exactly.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I got ahead of
Yeah.
myself because
You
I
did.
want to eat this,
I know
man.
you do. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle our Chipotle Ranch flavored popcorn on top of our tomato soup.
Oh, look at that.
And then you're going to cut that sandwich and show us how delicious
yeah,
that
with
looks.
this knife.
Okay.
Okay, now
No.
this. The Scooby Dooby grilled cheese sandwich with the soup and the popcorn with Uncle Dan's Chipotle Ranch. Here you go.
And he's a dunker.
I love to dunk.
Okay. Must be good.
Oh, baby. Like I said, you got the munchies, we got the cure.
Everyone enjoy your weekend.